Imagine this. It's late at night. You tell yourself you'll watch just one more video, reply to one more message, or study for just another hour. Before you know it, it's 2 a.m. Your alarm rings only a few hours later, and although you manage to get out of bed, something doesn't feel right. You feel tired, your eyes are heavy, your mind is foggy, you struggle to focus, and even simple tasks seem harder than usual. But have you ever wondered what's actually happening inside your body when you don't get enough sleep? Welcome to Global MedVision, where we simplify health and empower lives. Today we'll explore the fascinating science of sleep and discover why it is one of the most important things your body needs. Many people think sleep is simply a time when the body shuts down. In reality, that's far from the truth. While you're asleep, your body is incredibly busy. Your brain organizes memories, repairs damaged cells, balances hormones, strengthens your immune system, and prepares you for the next day. So, what happens when you cut that process short? Let's begin with your brain. After just one night of poor sleep, your brain starts to slow down. It becomes more difficult to concentrate, remember important information, or make good decisions. Tasks that normally take only a few minutes may suddenly feel frustrating and exhausting. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or found yourself reading the same sentence over and over again because your mind couldn't stay focused? Lack of sleep may be one of the reasons why. This happens because sleep plays a vital role in strengthening memory and allowing your brain to process everything you've learned throughout the day. Without enough sleep, your brain simply can't perform at its best. But your brain isn't the only thing affected. Think about the last time you were extremely tired. Were you more patient, or did every little thing seem annoying? When you don't get enough sleep, your emotions become harder to control. You may feel irritated, anxious, stressed, or unusually emotional. That's because sleep helps regulate the brain chemicals responsible for your mood. In other words, a good night's sleep doesn't just recharge your body, it also helps keep your emotions balanced. Now let's look at your body's defense system. Every day, your immune system works around the clock to protect you from harmful bacteria, viruses, and other germs. But without enough sleep, this powerful defense system becomes weaker. Your body produces fewer infection-fighting proteins, making it easier for illnesses like the common cold or flu to take hold. You may also recover more slowly when you become sick. This is one reason healthcare professionals often encourage people to get plenty of rest whenever they're ill. Sleep gives your immune system the opportunity to repair, strengthen, and fight back. Sleep also has a major impact on your heart. While you sleep, your heart rate and blood pressure naturally decrease, allowing your cardiovascular system to recover from the day's activities. However, when you consistently miss out on sleep, your body remains under stress for longer periods. Over time, this can increase the risk of developing high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. Another surprising effect of poor sleep is its influence on your appetite. You might think being awake longer simply means you're tired, but your body also changes the way it controls hunger. When you don't sleep enough, hormones that regulate appetite become unbalanced. You begin to crave sugary snacks, fast food, and high-calorie meals. At the same time, the hormone that tells you you're full becomes less effective. This is why people who regularly miss sleep often find it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Sleep deprivation can also affect your daily performance. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a healthcare worker caring for patients, or someone driving to work, lack of sleep slows your reaction time and reduces your ability to think clearly. Mistakes become more common. Learning becomes more difficult. Even driving while severely sleep-deprived can be dangerous because your brain reacts much more slowly than normal. The good news is that your body already knows how to recover. The best medicine is often the simplest: healthy, consistent sleep. Most teenagers need between 8 and 10 hours of sleep every night, while most adults require around 7 to 9 hours. Creating a regular sleep schedule, limiting screen time before bed, reducing caffeine late in the day, and keeping your bedroom quiet and comfortable can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep. Remember, sleep isn't a sign of laziness. It isn't wasted time. It is one of the most powerful investments you can make in your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. So tonight, before you decide to stay awake a little longer, ask yourself this question: is what I'm doing more important than giving my body the rest it needs to function at its very best? Thank you for watching Global MedVision, where we are committed to simplifying health and empowering lives through trusted medical education. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another journey into the fascinating world of medicine. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of yourself.